Pearl to the stand to answer questioning from the prosecuting attorney and any
Yes.
cross questioning to Rico Bunny.
What do I get to cross the officer?
You're not the attorney.
I don't get to cross examine the officer. What is going on?
Attorney Rico, I highly recommend you consult with your defendant on who is representing this case before I make a decision on who is representing.
Uh, Your Honor,
Your Honor,
I've
Rico
spoke
Bunny
to
is
him.
my lawyer.
Okay, that's going to be contempt, held in contempt, charge number 1 for Tom Pearl.
All right, Mr. Pearl. Would you say that you're an upstanding citizen?
Can you please define what you mean by outstanding citizen?
You don't break any laws. You refrain from doing any illegal activity. Maybe a little.
I'm not a lead to comment at the moment.
I'll just answer for you. You have 89 prior arrests, and you have, let's see, 36 prior citations. Would you say that means you're an upstanding citizen?
It depends on how you would see it.
All right, Mr. Pearl, how fast were you going before the MCD
64?
officer, Mr. You're going 64? What if I told you the officer's clock speed was showing different?
Well, that's what he told me. I was going He told me I was going 64.
What did he initially tell you?
64.
He said you were going 65. But
He
at
told me
first,
I was going 64. Why don't we get his body cam?
it's not something I'm entering into evidence, and it's not something that
Because it finds me guilty, right? 'Cause it'd show it. It would not paint a good face on it, would it?
you're answering the questions, and I'm giving the questions.
Do you have any more questions for me?
Is it true that you were just while this court case was going on that you were arrested earlier today?
Can you please define how earlier is going, like how early meant?
Were you arrested on this day of July 12th? Yes or no?
Yes.
And why were you arrested?
I have to go looking back at that actually. Would you
I'll
want
tell
me
you
to look at
myself.
that?
You were caught robbing a bank and evading from LEO. And it seems like you have priors for criminal speeding as well. So I believe this is just recurring behavior and it's not anything new.
And since you're bundled home and auto with 24/7 protection, you can handle all the worry.
No further questions, Your
What
Honor.
the hell? Could we please note that we just had a severe disruption by the judge?
Yep, that'll be noted.
Yeah, your question, Your Honor, I have no questions for my client.
Copy. You don't have any questions for your client. Understood.
No.
All right. So my ruling will be the charge stands due to Mr. Pearl's previous criminal record for criminal speeding.
Objection bias.
Is okay, held in contempt of court
No.
number 2. So the charge will stand. However, to address this will be for Attorney Rico, to address the matter of putting him in the back of the K9. I do agree with you that is against policies. However, this is a court. We do not deal with police department policy, so that you will have to forward that to internal affairs, and they will have to do an investigation into that. I will, however, be adding on additional charges to Tom Pearl's based off the evidence provided. So he's already got 2 additional charges of contempt of court for his attitude in the courtroom, as well as he had a attitude in the discovery phase with both the prosecuting attorney. So he will also be getting a 3rd charge of contempt of court, as well as he will be getting a charge for attempting to delete evidence in the discovery phase, and he will also be getting charged with illegal use of an emergency sound, such as his horn as provided in his own evidence
Illegal use of what?
of a horn.
Is that a crime? Illegal use of a horn?
Yes, that is.
You serious?
And that is
Yes,
contempt number
he's serious.
4. Mr. Rico, I highly recommend that you control your defendant before he gets additional charges of contempt of court.
I believe this judge is
Mr. Pearl,
biased.
Mr. Pearl.
And
Let's
that is
leave it to
charge
the
number
judge.
6. Would you like to keep speaking, Mr. Pearl? I highly recommend you heed your attorney's advice. All right, so I am now ordering Mr. Pearl at his earliest convenience to report to the nearest police station and
I will
turn
not be doing
himself
that, Your Honor.
in.
Mr. Pearl, please
And
stop
charge
speaking.
number 7 for speaking out of turn and continuously arguing.
May I please speak, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
I would not be turning myself in.
Understood. Then you'll be placed under arrest at this time.
You can go ahead and issue me a warrant.
That's going to be a negative. I'm going to have the bailiff take custody of you. Currently, you're in a courtroom.
Your Honor.
Yes, prosecuting attorney.
So just outlining the charges listed: 7 counts of contempt of court. We're gonna have 1 count of noise pollution, and 1 count of criminal speeding. Where the state is going to be pushing for a $4,700 fine and 1,800 seconds, or 1,800 months. Sorry.
You
Honor,
were
may I please speak?
forgetting attempt to destroy or tamper with evidence as well.
Your Honor, may I please speak?
No.
Prosecution, may I please speak?
That's not up to the prosecution. Mr. Allen, are you able to add that additional charge in for the attempt to tamper with evidence?
Did you say attempting or tampering with?
Attempted or tampering with evidence. He did delete evidence from that was originally presented.
Yep, Your Honor. I added tampering with evidence. We don't have attempting in our penal codes.
That's fine. We'll do tampering with evidence then.
Objection, Your Honor.
What is your objection?
You the original charge was attempting to, and then now you're gonna charge me with going
Did
ahead
you
and doing
did
so?
you or did you not delete the evidence that you posted into Discovery?
What evidence would I post in Discovery?
Did you
the
or did you
links?
not post
The links?
delete the evidence that you posted into Discovery?
What evidence, Your Honor? Please define.
This is a yes or no question.
I'm not gonna say yes or no when I did not know what it
Yes,
is.
the links.
The links? I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay, well, I have current logs and the court clerk has seen that. So you will be charged with deleting evidence or tampering with evidence.
Your Honor, may I please speak?
No. Mr. Allen, did you get the updated time for that?
Yes, sir. Or yes, Your Honor. It's going to be 1,800 max, and we're pushing for a $9,700 fine from the state.
$1,700 fine. Can you give me the total time after the 1,800 per max, and ensure that the double time is being issued pursuant their civilians' rights of getting it halved prior to jail?
It's going to be 7 counts of contempt of court, 1 count of noise pollution, 1 count of criminal speeding, and 1 count of tampering with evidence. Lowest possible time is 240. Maximum is 1,800. Lowest fine is $4,020. Max is going to be $9,700.
Your Honor, can I please do a plea deal?
Negative. You had your option and your opportunity to do that prior to this hearing.
Your Honor, may I please speak momentarily?
No. All right. Let me double check these charges and ensure that it is correct. Okay, the charge will be set for the record. Mr. Pearl will be sentenced to 2,600 days in the county penitentiary, and charged. We will go with the 9,000 as you are requesting, Prosecutor Allen.
Can you say that one more time, Your Honor?
Mr. Pearl will be charged with 2,600 days in the penitentiary and a $9,000 fine.
The state welcomes this verdict, Your Honor. Thank you.
Any more questions for the defendant's attorney?
We have no questions, Your Honor.
Sounds good. This court will be adjourned.